Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amora's wash day. We're gonna achieve this look right here. Isn't she beautiful? Watch, like, and subscribe. Enjoy. You ready to get your hair washed?
Yes.
Okay, so you're gonna need a shampoo spray attachment. This just makes life easier and you don't have to use a cup. Yeah. And it's just easier. Yeah, and the product that we're using in this video is the Shea Moisture, the 100% virgin coconut oil for babies. It smells delightful. It smells really good. It has a hint of sweet pea mixed with the coconut. It's beautiful. And I use the baby product because my daughter's still a baby. She's only 3 years old in this video. Yes, just in case she acts up and it gets in her eyes or something. You know how kids are. Yeah, so I'm just washing, just making sure I'm getting all of that gook out from the gel that I've been using on those edges. I'm making sure that I wash it out really, really good. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Carol's Daughter Almond Milk conditioner for restoring your hair. It's supposed to be for damaged hair, but it works for right now. I'm not too sure if I like it. I'm gonna let it sit on. I let it sit on for 5 minutes. I'm just going to section and detangle her hair, and then after that I wash it out. And the product that I use that's my go-to it's the castor oil, which is gonna pop up in a few seconds. The Black Jamaican castor oil, yes. I use it from any brand, and I just put it at her ends all over the place, and her scalp a little bit. And then I put the leave-in on top. And I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Red Palm Oil in cocoa, I believe it's cocoa butter. And it's a conditioner or a leave-in. Now I'm going to style her hair. I'm going to start with the Shine and Jam to section and park, and just to make her little boxes sleek and look nice, It's better than putting gel all through her hair. I make sure I have a little part from ear to ear because she is still small. On ear to ear on an adult would be literally 2 rows. On her, it's 1 row. She's small. But yes, so I apply a little of the Shine and Jam to the strand of hair, and then I twist it together in a 2-strand twist, just to make sure it holds for the 2 weeks that her hair will be in for. And if you're wondering why I haven't used any grease, it's because when I put the castor oil, I put it on her scalp as well. And I get it all in the scalp, so I don't have to use the grease because I'm not a big fan of grease. And as you can see, her shrinkage is real. Look how long her little twist is, and then look on the other side with her shrinkage. And she has 4B hair. Just because you have 4B hair doesn't mean that your hair is hard, because her hair is very soft. But it just means that shrinkage is on 100. Yeah, so this is how it looks when I'm done. I'm just gonna show you in detail how I did the front. So I'm gonna do the boxes connecting, going up into a little baby bun. She requested a bun. Yeah, she wanted a little bun. Yeah, and remember not to pull too tight, especially in the front, because that will cause their edges to come out. They are kids, toddlers. Yeah, so I'm just connecting it, and when I connect it, I'm going to separate them into 2 strands. 2 strands equally the same, and just 2-strand twist them, not as tight as the rest of her hair, so that she can get a nice little bun at the top. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to wrap it around, and then she'll be finished. Voila! We're going to gloss her up with the Apogee hair oil or hair polish. And yeah, that's it. Slick them edges. Of course, I use gel on her edges only. I have to because I want it to stay and it looks so nice. I'm gonna look for another method. Edge control is a little too greasy for edges because I look and then she's all greasy and I'm like, what's going on here? But here she is, the beautiful Amora.
That's what it is. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, 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 subscribe.